Okay, we're going to go through this example, and so have your example pulled out. We're going to name A, H, and K from a graph, which is essentially what you needed to do for problem number 2. So the first thing we're going to do is name the A. If you look at your A, H, and K foldable, you'll remember that we don't start at 0, 0 to name A. We have to start at a specific point depending on the function. So since this is a cubic function, we're going to start at this turning point right here. And again, if you look at the notes, it tells you to move right 1. And remember, you're moving one whole, not just one little box, one whole. And then we're going to move up 1, 2, 3. So that's our A value. So we have an A value of 3. And we're going to describe that right now. Since that's greater than 1, that's going to be a stretch. Then we're going to move to figure out our HK. This time, we are going to start from the origin, because if you think about it, the original parent looks something like this. So the starting point started here, and now it's all the way down here. So we have to ask ourselves, how did this point go from here to here? And in this case, we shifted down 2. That's our K value. Since our turning point here didn't shift left or right, our H is 0. So the only thing we have is just down 2, if you prefer to write down 2. So now we've described A, H, and K from a graph. Now it's your turn.